When you aim to plunge into a workout to trim and slim your body, warming up or preparing your body for the high gear exercises is the primary step. If you skip this step, your body might fall into injury by straining your muscles. Warm-up activity is beneficial for performing any workout such as dynamic, strength training, or sports activity. The warm-up exercise assists in increasing oxygen blood flow and improves flexibility. A perfect warm-up schedule contains 10 minutes of training that includes all your major muscle groups. When you start workout following a warm-up, it relaxes your muscles and helps move them smoothly that otherwise may suffer from stiffness. In this video, we will focus on the best warm-up exercises before a workout. Number 1. Arm circles. Arm circles are one of the easiest and best warm-up exercises to remove tension from your arms and shoulders. Stand on your feet, shoulders width apart, and start rotating your arms in a circular motion. You might feel straining initially, but as you continue, you will feel lightheaded and relaxed. Do 8 to 10 reps in a clockwise direction and then repeat in the anti-clockwise order. Number 2. Jumping the rope. Jumping the rope is the best activity to speed up your heart rate and warm up your shoulders and arm muscles. Grab a rope and jump for 2 minutes, retaining it in a clockwise direction at a moderate pace to prepare your body for an extensive workout. You can flip the direction to bring variation. Number 3. Bodyweight squats. Squats are a compound full body exercise. It aims at warming up the muscles of glutes, hip flexor, abs, hamstrings, calves, and quadriceps. First of all, stand on your feet, hip width apart, pointing to your toes outwards. Lower your body, pivoting your hips backward, and bend your knees forward. Bring your arms in front of you and start lowering your body, putting all your weight on your quadriceps. Hold the posture for 10 seconds, keeping your back straight. Restore the position and repeat the activity 10 times. Number 4. Wall angels. It is the best warm-up activity for workout containing squats or exercises that involve overhead pressing or thoracic spine mobility. Wall angels are extraordinary dynamic elasticity for your upper back, spine, joints, and muscles. This exercise is best for people suffering from neck and collar stiffness. Stand with a wall, pressing your back against it, and take your feet 2 steps ahead. Raise your arms and place them on the wall on the side of your ears. Now slide the hand above you, keeping your core engaged. Pause for a while and restore to the initial position. Repeat the procedure 10 times. Number 5. Leg swing. Stand parallel to the wall at an arm's distance. Now, place your hand on the wall to support your body and raise your leg. Swing it in front and back 10 to 15 times to release tension. Repeat the procedure with the other leg to warm up your body for intricate workouts. Number 6. Walkout. Walkout is a definite warm-up exercise worth boosting up core muscles and stretching out your hamstrings. You can increase your strength, flexibility, and mobility carrying out this warm-up exercise. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart, pointing your toes forward. Lower your body to reach the ground, crawling out on your hands, and make a high plank position. Pause for a while with your abs engaged and shoulders above your wrist. Crawl back on your palms, coming back to a stand-up position. Repeat the procedure 8 times. Number 7. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is the preferred warm-up exercise to boost your heart rate and prepare your body for an all-inclusive workout. Start by standing with your feet closed and arms lying down by your side. Jump and bring your arms sideways upwards upon your head. Land softly with a curve in your knees. Make sure you land softly or you may feel extra pressure on your knees while bending. Repeat it for 30 seconds.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.